Hello guys, this is Al from Open Source Channel. Welcome again to a new episode. Today I'm going to show you how to install the Supernova AnonUpload, so you can upload, or your customers can actually upload files anonymously. I'm going to install it on Docker. It's going to be very simple and fast. In fact, I'm going to just copy and paste this line of code that I'm going to paste it in the terminal. I already got my terminal open, and this is where we're gonna paste it. Before I do that, I want to just make sure we got on us in place. I always got my container open so I can actually check what I'm doing and what is going on with the actual container. I got Nginx Proxy Manager, where I'm going to redirect this domain to the actual IP and port. I already set that up, so we'll have no problem. So this is what I'm going to do. This is exactly copy. Let me go back. Let's go back here. That's the exact same thing over here, but I have modified some of the content. For example, the port, as I already ran something on port 80, so I'm going to do port 8081. So let's go back here, and as you can see, 8011 and 8011, all right, on my Nginx Proxy Manager. I'm happy with the actual path where all the information is going to be stored. I changed my email to admin@osc.uk. Here you put the password over the app. Again, I'm going to leave it as password. Again, don't forget to change it. I'm only going to do this because it's a demonstration. And make sure the actual password is strong. Again, here are all the files that people can upload. If the extension is not here, it will be, you will have an error technically. This is the maximum file. Again, this is the base URL, the one I'm using. And again, we got everything we need to get started. This is where the actual file is getting downloaded, and the app download time is set to 30. Right, so I'm happy with this. All I'm going to do now is copy. I'm going to minimize that, and I'm going to paste it. Once done, I'm going to press enter. Right, what we're going to do now, we're going to go to Portainer while it's installing. And as you can see, AnonUpload is already being installed, but I'm going to the logs and have a look what is going on. This is more or less the same thing is happening in the terminal, by the way. Where are we? So yes, we already got this up and running, so technically we're good. Let's go back to the dashboard and containers. All right, so if you want to access the actual app from outside, make sure that your router has the information and you actually routing the IP to the domain in your router. Also, make sure the actual ports are open. Mine, for example, is not open, so I'm going to use the actual IP. So if I go back here, and as you can see, this is the actual front part that everybody is going to see. And you can see it has the 10 gig maximum as it was stated. All right. Now I can actually drag and drop, click and upload, whatever. Now to access the admin side, you got to do the IP and port in this case, and admin. Now to access this, you will need, let's go back to the, there we go. The code that I pasted there, so the password is password as we know it, and the login is admin as we know it here. So let me copy this one here, and let's paste that, and let me add the password. Now let's enter the captcha YCT2 and 4. I had this kind of a problem before. Sometimes it doesn't let me log in. I don't know why. This is my few attempts. Anyway, this is the actual, as you can see, the admin side of Anon files. It's very simple. If you go to settings, all you got is email and password if you want to reset it. Here are all the files. Let me go back here. So you can export the entire page in XLS. And here is the information on the dashboard. It's a very, very simple app. And that's it, really. That's all it is. So guys, thank you so much for joining me for this very short tutorial. Unfortunately, I don't have time lately due to personal reasons, work, and so many other things. Again, this channel is basically, it's not as it used to be. I do it just for fun, just to help people around. I don't do it for money. So again, thanks for joining me. I hope you stick around. If you don't follow me, follow it if you want to follow it. Again, thanks again, guys, and I'll see you next time.